back in May of '64, men were locked in a terrible war. They told old Tecumseh up in Tennessee, take your army into Georgia and meet the enemy. Old Tecumseh Sherman got on his horse and he led his troops on a fateful course. The Blue Coat marched 100,000 strong, and the general at their head could do no wrong. Like a great sea of death they came, heading for a city called Atlanta by name. Army of the Cumberland, Army of the Mississippi, Army of Tennessee, Army of Ohio. They told Joe Johnson up at Dalton Town, Tecumseh's a-coming, best get a-running. You've got to save Atlanta, for they burn it down. So the word went out to true sons of the South. They made a dash for Atlanta town. The blue and the gray met that terrible day, and they fought for many weeks, till the cannon powder stung their cheeks. Brave men fell in that awful hell, Billy Yank and Johnny Red. A tango there till scores were dead, corpse stacked so high, a man could barely see the sky. Old Tecumseh, sword in hand, ambled up on a knoll, and he looked down on Atlanta town. The Georgia earth was strewn with dead, and the dogwood trees splashed with red. Many balls were laying about. Old Tecumseh, he did shout, I'm tired of listening to that rebel yell. I'm gonna make that blaze a fiery hell. So the cannons boomed and bayonets flashed, and the siege went on till the city was smashed. And on September 2, '64, the city fell, and there was no more. Old Tecumseh led his victorious host on a march to the sea. They heard him boast. Now the bugles were still, and on a hill, a Confederate soldier lay a-dying. His face was black, a wound in his back, as he watched his city a-flying. There in the flicker of firelight, he swore an oath as he viewed the sight. Someday they'll build her back again, and she'll be bigger and better than ever.